Did you know that many villages in Malaysia face tough environmental problems? Things like too much waste, dirty water, and not enough recycling. These problems hurt our health, damage nature, and threaten our future. But what if we could use AI to help? Imagine an AI system that uses sensors and smart learning to watch for pollution. It could even give eco-friendly suggestions. And a chatbot could teach villagers in their own language how to live greener. We propose EcoBuddy AI. It detects litter hotspots, monitors water quality, and suggests actions like adding more recycling bins. The chatbot offers eco tips and fun quizzes. It encourages everyone to be more sustainable, young and old. This supports clean water, climate action, and a sustainable future for all. We started by surveying local village issues. Then we built a prototype using fake sensor data. We trained a simple AI to spot waste and water problems. Finally, we created chatbot messages to promote green habits. EcoBuddy AI is inclusive, using simple language and voice tools. It's smart, adapting to local needs. And most importantly, it's eco-friendly, promoting real-life green actions. Imagine the AI warning about litter in the river, or the chatbot teaching students how to plant trees and rewarding them for it. Our AI respects nature, ensuring no harm to wildlife. Data privacy is key. Everything is anonymous and secure. We prioritize the community, seeking consent and respecting cultural values. And it's accessible, working even on basic mobile phones.